just a little introduction. I've always tinkered with cars and bikes, done it for years. Everybody says should record it, stick it on YouTube. Here I am. Like going to car shows, bike shows and events, so I record them too. I'm not the best with camera or the video editing, so please bear with me, I am still learning. But hopefully you'll like what I show. And yeah, let's see what we're going to be doing today. So, as you could tell from that introductory video, the little camera I bought that was supposed to be good isn't very. So, I've had a bit of a look online at reviews, and it's alright for the time lapsing, which I do have to do a time lapse video because I bought an engine crane, so we'll time lapse building that. I am just currently on my way to pick my wife up, so I can go and view a car, and if it's alright, we'll be buying it and fixing it up and selling it on. So we'll see you when we get there. So we've bought the car. Sorry I didn't film it. The guy wasn't too happy about it. We got it for a decent price. It's a Peugeot 206. It's CC convertible. Lovely for this weather. It's 2005. Does need a few bits doing. Brakes are a bit pants, so I'm going to do disc and pads all the way around. There's an issue with the passenger seat. You can't adjust it properly, so we'll have to sort that. It's got a indicator lens missing, so we'll order one of those. And it's blowing from the exhaust, so we're going to have to see if it can be repaired or get a new exhaust section, whichever it is. The roof works apparently, AC works. All in all, not a bad car. Drives quite smooth. 79,000 miles on it, and yeah, got it for quite a good price. Should make a few quid on it. Keep your finger on it. Oh dear.
Go on, do it again. Oh,
there we go. Lovely jubbly. That's the wife. Say hello, baby. Cream leather interior. Does need a valet clean inside and out, but very happy with the purchase. Right, it's the next day. Sorry if I look a bit tired, just finished the night shift. I ordered the parts for the Peugeot yesterday, so it should be here in a couple of days. Just heading back home now. I've another delivery coming, some tools and bits, so let's see what we've got when we get there. I've ordered the parts from Autodoc. Never used it before. Seen a couple of reviews for it and sponsors on other YouTube channels, so I thought I'd give it a try. It's really fair priced. Nearly half the price of what it had been from one of the suppliers I use. So hopefully they're all alright. If not, I think I paid an extra £4 or £5, and you get this guarantee, so if you need to return the parts for whatever reason, just send them back and get a refund. Can't go wrong. Delivery's come. Not sure what we've got because there's a few things coming. JB Weld. Hopefully you'll fix that exhaust. These are some little covers for your contact points on your battery. I've got a Renault Master van and got a new battery for it, and the terminals don't fit right on the new battery, so hopefully this will sort the problem. And we have a smoke machine, a leak detector. So we'll give this a try and give it a review when we use it. So I'll call it a day for this video. I know we've not really done much apart from buy a car. Next video I'm going to a bike night at Barton. So there'll be no repairing on that either. But after that we'll have as parts for Peugeot. Also bought another car, an Alfa Romeo GT. Good project. Going to be a lot to do on it. Lights up like a Christmas tree on dashboard. But should all be good fun. Right, thanks for watching. If you do like the video, like and subscribe. I'll catch you next time.